Welcome back, Casio crew. Casio FX991ES Plus lover here for another thrilling installment in the ongoing calculator unboxing series. Now, I've had hundreds and hundreds of emails and messages begging for my next installment. As a frequent, high-quality content maker, how could I deny my dedicated fans for more incredible calculator content? And this is it, the Casio FX991EX CLASSWIZ. Oh, it's a beauty. Now, whilst I point at random parts of the calculator, let's answer a few of the many questions I received. So, my first question has been sent in by Colin Firth, my Darcy 1995. Interesting username there. Didn't even get the right Mr. Darcy. It's obviously Matthew 2005, but hey, I'll overlook it. They have asked, why are you so annoying? Right, well, Colin Firth, my Darcy 1995, I don't like it, I don't want it, and I don't appreciate your kind of negativity. And as T-Swizzle says, haters gonna hate. Let's head back to the video a second. Now, hold on to your bonnets, people. This unboxing's about to get spicy. Okay, let's go on to my second question. Hopefully it's nicer. It is from Helen Mirren Lover. That's a good username. Their question is, are you going to be doing any other unboxings, not calculators? And the answer is, no. Only calculators. Forever calculators. Alright. Okay, my Casio crew, let's go on to the third and final question. It has been sent in by Texting Expert 1. Tex? That's a weird username. Anyway, they ask, a list of questions. Number 1, have you seen Sanditon? Yes, I have. Number 2, did you enjoy it? Yes, I did. Number 3, will you watch the next few series? Yes, I will. I don't know how that question was relevant. It wasn't about calculators, or maths, or even to this Casio FX991ES Plus lover channel. You know, I was sort of expecting questions about the actual calculator, what it does, how it works, maybe the colour. But no. Instead, I'm being asked about popular TV shows. How is that relevant? I don't know. And I have no idea why I'm opening the instructions. Why am I opening the instructions? Yes, we get it. They're instructions. You don't just show the camera. Why am I reading the instructions? No one reads the instructions. It's like the terms and conditions. You just say you've read them. You don't actually read them. So there you have it. It's a calculator. It's got like a million functions. You'll probably never use any of them. So thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing. And don't forget, use #CasioCrew whenever you tweet about it.